Hello, thank you for choosing us. My name is Terrence Hines down at Cell Trail Chrysler. I'd like to let you know at this time that our production teams put together a fabulous video, especially for you, and I hope you enjoy. Thank you.
Hi Jen, this is the 2016 FIAT 500X, which comes equipped with a 1.4 liter turbo engine, 6-speed manual transmission, halogen projector headlamps, manual folding side mirrors, and a white exterior. Aside from your standard features, this vehicle comes equipped with a 5-inch touchscreen media center with AM/FM radio, Sirius satellite radio, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth, cruise and media steering wheel mounted controls, a USB port, auxiliary input, and a 12-volt power outlet. Lastly, Jen, the interior features cloth leather combination seating with premium stitching and rear folding seats.
Hello again, thanks for watching. Can't wait to meet you down here at Cell Trail Chrysler, Canada's largest Chrysler store. Thanks again.